Hi there, back on our Henderson build. Today I got my Venturis from the machinist. I was building two types. This was OM on a 500cc Indian, and this I expect to work better on my 1400cc 4-cylinder Henderson. The original one was broken. I was designing a new one and machined it, and then I had to hand make these slots here for the main jet to sit on and for the air to get in. What I learned about my Linkert, the Linkerts that I'm using on Indian Scouts 500cc, 600cc, that it's an internally vented Venturi. So because it's externally vented and internally vented, these ones are internally vented. The relative proportion between the disc area and the Venturi area, which is very important for the response or the power of the engine. And that I have a nozzle type C, it's this one, with an inner diameter of 0.102 inches. And I will test this one to see how it works. Next I will take out the body from ultrasound cleaning. I have a small ultrasound bag where I keep it now for the second cycle or third cycle to be sure all holes are cleaned. I also used this before that. After the ultrasound I will put pressurized air in all little holes in the Linkert. And then it's mounting time. So I will time lapse the rest, and have a nice day. Enjoy it. I forgot to mention, all the useful information is in this Linkert Bible. Buy it if you have a Linkert motorcycle and understand much more than the stock book, repair book will give you. How your Linkert works, what adjustments you can make, what differences there are between Linkert, sorry. A very useful book.
I was falling through the sky on the waves of time for 1 billion miles. In the wildest of my dreams, I was going down the rabbit hole to the other side. Yeah. I kept on running into the wild. It made me feel just like a child, like life was space and time. Had to go down the rabbit hole to the other side. Oh yeah, to the other side. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Down the rabbit hole. In my room, all by myself, I had a lucid dream.
I'm not sure if I like this cone. I don't know if you can see it. It's not equal. I always buy this new, so I'm sure it's running 100%, and that's why I have 3 more original ones left over that I think are better quality than the reproduction. So I guess I will just use an original cone. This is for stopping the gasoline for keeping the float chamber in a level. Yes. So now I will mount this one. These are all ordered parts, but I can still see machinery inside of it. Stay tuned, let's mount this flow chamber.
Of somebody else who came into my life to take me down the rabbit hole to the other side. Oh yeah, to the other side. Yeah, to the other side. Oh yeah.
This is how the Linkert looks like after the ultrasound cleaning. I have a small bath like this, so it's good for the little holes inside to be cleaned a bit. Now I will use compressed air to clean everything. Look at her, look at her, she doesn't let me work. Yes.
Down the rabbit hole. Down the rabbit hole. Take me to the other side. To the other side. I was falling through the skies on the waves of time for 1 billion miles. The wildest of my.
I was finding, sanding and grinding this edge off because it was very rough, and on this one we have this needle running and we don't want it to make a like it was much rougher than this originally, so now it should slide easier and nicer. I was adjusting the fuel level in the chamber. In the book it says it has to be between 4.7 and 7.9 millimeters. So I adjusted it at 6. It's the middle of it. And I will run it like this and see what's happening.
Turn it up, you can hear your blood flowing. Pretty amazing sound. Word and sound is music. My life is music. It's so simple.
The Linkert that I will use on the Henderson is now mounted. I was adjusting the fuel chamber and the basic adjustments on these two needles. So I think I'm ready to mount. I have the new gaskets here, don't have to make them. So have a nice evening.